Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. Today in this video we are going to talk about the Ayurveda aspect of gram flour which can be used to enhance the beauty of your skin according to your doshas. For example, you have Vata dosha more aggravated, and if you have more of dry skin, what kind of ingredients you can add to these gram flour to make your skin look better? And if you have oily skin, what are the ingredients you can use to make your skin look more better? And if you have mixed skin, what kind of ingredients you can use to make your skin flawless and beautiful? Let's see what Ayurveda has to talk about it and how you can make use of it. The thing is, this gram flour doesn't cost much. It is very cheap ingredient. It costs very less, but it will nourish your skin and make your skin naturally healthy in a big way. Anyways, you are using a lot of cosmetics on your face and you are removing your makeup. It's good. I am not saying don't use it. You use when it is needed. But when you are not using these things, for example, there are many days in your life when you are going to stay home and at night you are not going to use any makeup. Or in the morning when you get up, that time you are not going to use any makeup. So that time you can use these ingredients to make the health of your skin better, so that your pores will become, your clogged pores will become open and your skin can breathe. Let's see what Ayurveda has to talk about this gram flour and how you can use it with combination of various natural ingredients to enhance the beauty of your skin. This gram flour in India, it is called besan, or it is also called Bengal chana flour, or those brown chickpea flour. So this is called besan, and it is a flour very readily available in almost whole part of the world. In India, it is a very essential ingredient for our food. We also eat it and we also use it for skin nourishments. Good thing is, it is very rich source of vitamin C, B6, thiamine and various essential minerals are present in this black gram flour, and it is extremely beneficial and it costs very less. That means you need not to go to biggest spas to make your skin healthy. It is just, there's something which you can do daily, once or twice a week in your home, so that one thing is you will save the money by not going to very costly treatments. And you have some herbal recipe which you can make by yourself in your day-to-day life, and you can yield the best results. This black gram flour is very cold in potency, and it is very beneficial to enhancing the immunity of the body. So this black gram flour is a very important ingredient of your day-to-day life. You can say it is a very integral part of many sweets in India. They are made up of ground flour. Many dishes like curries and especially pakoras, these are the dishes which are made up of gram flour. Many of you must be have eaten pakoras, but that you don't know what are the ingredients in these pakoras. But this gram flour is the main ingredient in these pakoras, and we are eating it also, and we are also using it as a beauty ingredient. So today I am going to talk about the Ayurveda aspect and various Ayurveda face masks that can help to make your skin flawless, and that can make your skin much more healthy. It's been believed that this gram flour is capable of removing all the patchy skin. It is not like once you use and all the patches will be removed. It will take time, like sometimes it depends on the condition of the skin and how old the skin problem a person has. Because if you are using these ingredients, you need not to use much soaps or chemical things which brings a lot of dryness on the skin. Or even if you are using these things, various kind of very moisturizers or various strong cleansers, and if you feel like a lot of dryness is happening in the skin after using such cleansers, so you can use this face pack so that your skin will become beautiful. And these face packs just soothe the skin, and these all ingredients are natural, so it will naturally help your skin to go from unhealthy state to healthy state. So let's start with the first face pack, which is hair removal face pack. It's been said, like many times we have seen many people have suffered with overgrowth of hairs on their whole body, especially many women also have these problems. It is something which people cannot share, and just they have to bear with it. So one thing what these kind of people can do, this is hair removal face pack. That doesn't mean it will remove all the hairs, it's not like that, but it will make the growth of like too much. Some people have so much growth of hair, it will make the growth of hair less on the body, because in body we don't need hair much. Little bit hair naturally thin is fine, but overgrowth, it can stop that. So what is the combination for that? Let's see what is the pack which you need to use during shower by using this gram flour ingredient as a main ingredient. You take half cup of this gram flour, you add 2 lemons in it. You cut lemons, squeeze lemons into it. You just squeeze lemon into it and remove seeds of the lemon. After that, you just put half teaspoon of turmeric into it. Turmeric, you know, it's a very anti-inflammatory herb and it is natural immunity enhancer. So it is widely used in Indian homes. So you can also make use of it. And 1 teaspoon of milk cream. So, and you just mix this pattern very well. And make sure any of these ingredients, none of the ingredients should be allergic to you, because most of the people who are allergic to certain ingredient, they are aware of like what ingredient they are allergic of. Usually these are all our natural ingredients. Till now, neither a single case I have heard like anybody got allergic to these natural ingredients, these homemade ingredients, unless the gram flour which you are purchasing from certain source, if they would have added some kind of adulteration into it, some kind of chemical into it, then that is different thing. But try to purchase organic gram flour, because if you purchase organic gram flour, there is almost no chance like you will be allergic to that, because in India everybody use it in almost all household, and the results are amazing and quite good. So you can use it, you can make this pattern like a paste kind of thing. Then during shower you can apply on your body once you go for shower in opposite direction of the hair. Like hair are in this direction, you need to apply it in opposite direction and just rub it like not harsh, don't rub very harsh, just gently rub it. You will see, you will feel very light, because the property of this gram flour is it bring kapha and pitta into balance. So any disturbance in the skin because of imbalance of kapha or pitta dosha, it will naturally balance it, and it will nourish your skin very well. So this is one of the masks which you can use during shower. Let it be for next 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove it with lukewarm water, and you will see your skin will feel extremely fresh. You can make use of it and tell us how was your experience. If you feel like consistency of this paste is very thick, you can also add 1/4 cup of water into it if it is extremely thick, or if you feel like it is not so much thick, because it depends on the quality of gram flour you are getting. So no need to add water, or then add only 2-3 spoons of water, that would be enough. So you make use of this face pack and tell us how you felt. Next thing is, most of the women, they say like they have very dry skin. Dry skin can be because of many reasons. One thing, it depends if you are your vata is excessively imbalanced in your body, and if you have vata body type and your vata is unbalanced for many reasons. It can be disturbed digestive fire, it can be disturbed lifestyle, it can be disturbed food patterns because excess of coffee or excess of those food you are eating which are vata enhancing naturally. So if you are eating this kind of food, that also lead to dryness of the skin. There can be many reasons behind it, but generalized, if you feel just because dryness of the skin is because of you are using some very harsh chemicals on your skin like face wash or cleansers which are very harsh, that also lead to dryness of the skin. Many times on these face washes it's been written is extremely nourishing for the skin, is this, that, but actually because if it has chemicals, definitely it will be harsh, it will produce dryness in the skin. And when there is dryness, there will be cracks on the skin, and when there will be cracks on the skin, that will result into boils and vesicles, the small pustules, or you can say pimples. So these things happen. So if you have excessive dry skin, you can also use gram flour with these ingredients. Let's see what is the recipe for that.